Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from Algebra. 2x plus 5 whole square is minus 3. Then we have to evaluate x plus 2 whole power 95 plus 1 over x plus 2 whole power 95. Let's say this required expression is E. Here x cannot be equal to negative 2. Denominator cannot be 0. Now I will begin with given equation. 2x plus 5 whole square equal to minus 3. I will consider a square root both sides. So 2x plus 5 whole square with a square root. This will be equal to a square root of minus 3. Now square root and square will be over from LHS. We will write 2x plus 5. This will be equal to plus minus sign. Then it is a square root of minus 3. Or we can write 2x plus 5 equal to plus minus square root of minus 1 times square root of 3. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So 2x plus 5 will be equal to plus minus I times square root 3. Now we will subtract 5 from both the sides. I will write 2x plus 5 equal to plus minus I times square root 3. Now we will subtract 5 from both the sides. So I will write minus 5, minus 5. So plus and minus 5 will be cancelled out from our LHS. We will get 2x equal to minus 5 plus minus I times square root 3. Now we can divide both sides by 2 to get the value of x. So 2 will be cancelled from the LHS. We will get x equal to minus 5 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. So we have two complex values of x from the given quadratic equation. Now as per required expression, x plus 2 is required. So I will calculate x plus 2 separately. So we will write minus 5 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2 plus 2. Now we can write 2 as 4 over 2 to make our denominator same. So I will write minus 5 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2 plus 4 over 2. LHS was x plus 2. So we will get common denominator 2 minus 5 plus minus I square root 3 plus 4. So minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. I will write minus 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. So two complex values of x plus 2. If you will notice, these are cube roots of unity. So I can write x plus 2 would be omega, x plus 2 would be omega square. Now we will utilize the properties of omega. If I will write here 1 plus omega square, this is equal to 0, property number 1. And property number 2 would be omega cube equal to 1. Now we have to evaluate E for omega and E for omega square. Let me write here E of omega for x plus 2 equal to omega. Expression E is here. So I will write here x plus 2 equal to omega this time. So I will write here omega power 95 plus 1 over omega power 95. Now I can write 95 as 93 plus 2. Here also 1 over omega power 93 plus 2. Now using exponent law, I can write omega power 93 times omega square plus 1 over omega power 93 times omega square. Now omega power 93, I can write this will be equal to omega power 3 times 31, which can be written as omega cube whole power 31. Now omega cube is 1. So I can write 1 power 31. This will be equal to 1. So in place of omega power 93, we can write 1. So E omega, this will be equal to 1 times omega square plus 1 over 1 times omega square. So this will be equal to omega square plus 1 over omega square. Let me write here. E omega will be equal to omega square plus 1 over omega square. Now I will multiply in the numerator and denominator with omega here. So I can write E omega will be equal to omega square plus omega over omega cube. Now omega cube is 1. So I can write this will be equal to omega square plus omega. So 1 plus omega square, this is equal to 0. So omega plus omega square will be negative 1. So we will get our final answer negative 1 for x plus 2 equal to omega. Now we will put x plus 2 equal to omega square. So we are going to calculate E omega square. So I will write here omega square power 95 plus 1 over omega square power 95. This will be equal to omega power 190 plus 1 over omega power 190. Now I can write 190 as 189 plus 1. So 189 times omega plus 1 over omega power 189 times omega. So I can write here E omega square will be equal to omega power 189. I can write this is omega cube whole power 63. 3 times 63 is 189 times omega plus 1 over omega cube power 63 times omega. Now omega cube is 1. So I will write E omega square will be equal to omega plus 1 over omega. As omega cube is 1, 1 power 63 is 1. Again we will multiply here with omega square in the numerator denominator. So this will give us omega plus omega square over omega cube. Now omega cube is 1. We will get omega plus omega square. So this is equal to E omega square equal to minus 1. So our final answer becomes E equal to negative 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.